Okay, some 427 parts, or Chevelle parts, headlight pots, some pulleys for the motor, and transmission torque converter cover. We will powder coat them in black. We'll show you that here in a bit, and then we'll put them in the oven and heat them up. Okay, we're just shooting them with a little semi-gloss powder coat, and they will get thrown in the oven. Brackets for the 427. We'll see how they turn out. We'll be back. Okay, so they're going into the oven. Little rough. $15, 20 minutes?
Yeah,
20. Huh?
20.
Okay, we'll be back. Okay, there's the powder coated brackets. They're done in a low gloss. That one's alternator bracket and fan pulley, crank pulley. Well, that was not the best alternator bracket. Had rust pits and stuff in it. It had been combed and filled and stuff. So we might get another one, but you never know. One might stay on there for nostalgia purposes. And there's a little spacer. Yeah, actually they come out really good. Now have a nice hard finish on them. And yeah, like I say, that one might be a little, show some imperfections in it, but it's not from the powder coat. It was just marks that were already in the metal. It'll be fine. Okay, we'll be back.
Alright.
Okay, and he's got some more stuff for the powder coater for the Chevelle. Headlight pots and a torque converter cover. So he's just going to put them in the oven, and we'll be able to watch that transform. We'll move back and you can put them in. Are you not ready?
Not yet.
Ah, okay. Well, we'll be back. False alarm. Okay, more Chevelle parts. Torque converter cover is all done up. Looks great. Looks like new. Headlight pots are all powder coated up. They look awesome too. So piece by piece, we'll see how much we get done on this before the event, but pieces we do have off, we'll try and put them on to look nicer, and then we will go from there. We'll be back.